Hello students, we have discussed our story 3 questions. I hope you have done your homework. Now we are going to see the poem The Squirrel. It is very nice and short poem written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. Before going into poem, let's see something about squirrel. You must have seen squirrel here and there. It is very naughty and cute creature who is always running here and there around a tree. You must have tried to play with it, similar as to poet. Poet is also trying to play with squirrel. What is the poet doing in this poem? Let's read the poem. He wore a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Written by Mildred Bowers Armstrong. So here this is all about the squirrel. What the poet notices about the squirrel is given here. See the first line, let's see the summary of the poem. First line is, he wore a question mark for tail. It is about the shape of squirrel's tail. Poet think that it is look like a question mark. You can see here when it sits a straight position, its tail is looking like a question mark. So our poet also at first noticed it that it wear a question mark for tail and overcoat of grey. It is about the body of the squirrel. It is look like it wear a coat. So and which is of grey color. So poet think that it is look like it wears a grey coat. He sat up straight to eat a nut. We all know that squirrel love to eat nuts. But just notice one thing, that whenever we see squirrel, it bending and running here and there. But whenever it eat something, whenever they eat something, they eat in certain posture, and the posture is they sit straight. જ્યારે પણ એ કંઈ ખાય છે, it sit a straight posture, just like the image you can see here. So you can see here the squirrel is eating a nuts and he is sitting in a straight posture. Here he is used for a squirrel. He કોના માટે, he word કોના માટે use થયો છે? It is used for a squirrel. He liked to tease and play. Now how does squirrel tease? You notice that whenever you run behind the squirrel, what happened? It turn around the other way. So it looks like the squirrel teasing you. જ્યારે પણ આપણે એની પાછળ ભાગીએ, સ્ક્વિરલની પાછળ, સ્ક્વિરલ ટર્ન હિઝ વે, એનો વે બદલી નાખે. સો ઇટ ઇઝ લુક લાઈક ઇટ ટીઝ અસ. આપણને એ ચીડવતી હોય, ટીઝ કરતી હોય એવું લાગે. સો સિમિલર ઇઝ કેસ વિથ ધ પોએટ. પોએટ સાથે પણ આવું જ થયું. સો and if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. Poet સાથે પણ આવું જ થયું. When poet trying to catch the squirrel, what happened next? Squirrel went the other way. So whenever we trying to go closer to the squirrel, squirrel went away. दूर भागी जाए. Okay, so this is what the poet expressed and sharing his experience when she was trying to catch or playing with the squirrel. Okay, so this is all about squirrel. Now let's see the questions given here. Why does the poet say the squirrel wore a question mark for tail? So why does the poet say that? Our first line, why does poet say that a squirrel wore a question mark? The poet says the answer is, the poet says that squirrel wore a question mark for a tail because its tail is bent in a way that it appears like a question mark. Its tail is bent in a way, its tail you can see here, squirrel's tail is bent in a way that it looks like a question mark. So our poet use here word he wore a question mark. Okay, now see the second question. Do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? What do we say? So do we usually say that animal wear a tail? Animal a tail પહેરી છે એવું આપણે બોલીએ? No, usually we do not say that an animal wears a tail. Usually we do not say that an animal wear a tail. Then what do we say? We say that animal has a tail. We say that animal has a tail. Okay, now let's see the third question. He liked to tease and play. Who is teasing and whom and how? So who is teasing here? The squirrel is teasing whom? To poet. The squirrel is teasing to poet. And how the squirrel is teasing to poet? Then whenever the poet went a little closer to the squirrel would run away in other direction. So like this, the squirrel teasing the poet. Okay, so you have to write down these answers into your notebook. Thank you.